Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glamorous Avocado, also known as Lisa. I just wanted to say welcome if you are new here, and today I want to make or create this look. I've already done one eye, my eyebrows of course, moisturized, and haven't done my primer, but I'm gonna finish this eye. I wanted to say thank you to my little sister Erica, and she had this shirt made for me. It says Makeup by Lisa. I know y'all probably see it backwards, and then on the back, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it says Glamorous Avocado. I'm so grateful for her, so thank you, sis. I love the shirt. I'm also gonna be wearing my avocado socks today. And she also got me this makeup beauty blender. It's called Beauty 360 on the go blender. It's really cute. It's an avocado. I have an idea for this. I'm going to create this little face on here, from here on here, and it has the little opening, and then on the inside it has this little sponge, which I don't want to use because I want to be able to preserve it, save it for my collection. And if you don't know, I collect avocado stuff. So anyway, let's get started on this. Today I'm going to be using my James Charles palette because it's the one that I could find with greens in it. But I'm going to be going in with this color here. And that one is called Mary. I don't have a lot of room because I recently gave my daughter my lights that I had right here. So I'm using just 2 different lights. So let's get started. I just want to dab out my primer. And then I'm gonna go in. This is more difficult when I'm on camera, so I apologize. I have a big mess here. I'm going in with that color as my transition color, and I'm going in with the fluffy brush. Okay, I'm back. And I just want to build that up. My hair would stay out of the way. And then I'm going to go in with this brush. Yes, it is dirty. And I'm gonna go in with No Beans, which is this color here. It's kind of like a burgundy, like a brownish burgundy color. And I want to place that here in the middle in my crease area. And I'm just gonna blend that out. And build it up. Until I'm satisfied. I'm just going back in with the first brush I used to make sure that that's blended out. Then I'm gonna go in with this brush. It's a flat brush. And then I'm gonna go in with this green color here. And that one is called Guac. Perfect. Perfect name. And I'm just gonna put that on my lid. And it goes on really well with this brush. Sometimes with the shimmer colors, you can have a hard time, or they don't come out as good as you want them to. With the brush, so some people use their fingers, but this one, for me, is going on just fine. And that's what that's gonna look like. You can bring it up as high as you want. It's up to you. I've told y'all time and time again, it's just makeup, washes off at the end of the day. Do what makes you happy. And then after that, let me see if I can remember what color I went in with. I didn't even use that palette afterwards. I went in with my Morphe times Jaclyn Hill palette, Dark Magic. And it's from her Vault collection. A lot of people don't like these palettes because they say they performed badly, but I love all of them. So I guess I got a good batch. I'm gonna go in with Potion, which is this color here. And I'm going in with a smaller fluffy brush. And then I'm just gonna put that on the edge. Of that shimmer color, just so it blends and doesn't look too bad. And then I'm gonna go in with Inside Job, which is this color here. It's sort of like a dark green color on that same brush, and I'm just gonna put that at the edge. On the outer corner. And blend that in. And bring it in a little bit. And I'm gonna go back in with that second brush I used and just blend that out a little. That's what that looks like. That one didn't take long. I'm gonna go do my liner and my little brown glitter and my little jewel. And I'll be right, guys, so I'm back with mostly finished makeup. I did my lashes, I put my foundation on, my primer, my blush, contour, highlight, and now I'm just going to do my bottom lid, and I'm gonna go in with this little brush here. It is a Morphe brush, doesn't have a number. It's from a little collection that I found at their store. So I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, Dark Magic. I'm going in with Potion. And then I'm gonna put that under my eye. about right. Ouch. Oh, and on my eyeliner, I just went in with a Milani Shadow Eyes 12-hour eyeshadow. And this one is in Green Safari. So I used that as my liner, and then I went over it with my James Charles times Morphe palette with the color Daddy, which is this green here. And I'm actually gonna take Daddy, a little bit of Daddy, and I'm gonna add it down here as well. And then I'm gonna take Inside Job again, this one right here. And I'm gonna try to barely get the tip of the brush. And then just bring that out a little, like I did on the other side. And then all you have left, my eyes watering, is your bottom lashes. I don't know where my, it's probably my purse, my MAC lipstick is. So I'm gonna go in with, Believe Beauty's, what color is this? Velvet Matte Lipstick. And I don't know what color. Oh, here it is, Foxy. And these are kind of, I guess you have to build them up. They're not bad. I'm not looking for a lot of color on my lips, because my main focus is gonna be my, it's gonna be my eyeshadow. And then we have the finished look, y'all. I'm gonna take my hair out this bun and see if maybe I curl it or something. But that is all. I think I went over all the eye steps. Again, thank you to my sister for this awesome shirt. I love it. Thanks, sis. I love you very much. You guys, thank y'all so much for y'all's time and for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, because it does help me out. And y'all have a great day. Bye.